It's the best KFC in the world?
It is, absolutely, in the world.
Can I get, wait, before I order, everybody keeps saying it's the best KFC in the world. Is that true?
It's true.
Okay, can I get 21 legs?
Sure, spicy original.
Regular, please. No, half-half.
Are you having any sides?
French fries, French fries.
How much french fries?
Just a large French fry.
What?
Yes.
Any drink?
Pardon?
Any drink?
Water. Water. Can we get 10 water bottles? And can I have one Coke Zero?
Try KFC right here. When you're ordering KFC, you have to kind of sweet talk the lady.
Alright.
You'll be like, you're so beautiful today.
Yo, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Can I please get 21 legs, please, baby? Thank
Can I
you.
get a real big piece of chicken, alright?
Can I get a real big piece of chicken?
Sure.
Thank you. Really appreciate that.
Yeah, all legs. Total is 342, right?
Is this enough?
It is.
It is?
So be like, yo, the change is yours.
Yo, my love, the change is yours.
Sure, thank you.
You're so beautiful.
You so beautiful.
I got to give you a big piece of chicken. Be like, yeah, big pieces of chicken.
Hey, remember, I want a big leg, big piece of chicken.
There you go.
Gotta be like, I want a leg like yours. I want a big leg.
All right, chat, let's get ready for this chicken. Hey, I'm excited. I'm excited because I keep saying it's the best chicken in the world.
Best chicken, hands down.
I'm excited, bro.
So this, as I was telling you, this KFC actually at one point earned the most amount of money that all the KFCs
Wait,
in
say that
the
again?
This had make the most amount of money a year
Wow.
in the world.
This specific
This KFC.
This specific KFC
Independence
generates the most revenue
Yeah.
out of all KFCs.
Yeah. At one point in the world, yeah.
Wow.